Hi. It can be easy to put off stuff at home, whether it's emptying the dishwasher, changing the furnace filter, whatever it is. There are a lot of things that maybe don't always feel as important at home as, maybe certain work tasks or things that clearly are, important, whether it's life and death or just generally someone's going to be very upset if you don't get it done, which could obviously occur for household tasks. But in order to help get stuff done, here are a few really fast suggestions. So the first one is keep a log of the things you need to do around the house. So whether it's changing the furnace filter or turning on and off the outside water, having it in an app like the Reminders app or Todoist, where you have, this time of year is when I do this, or having a log of every time I change the filter because it needs to be done, let's say maybe every 2 to 3 months, keep a log. And then this way set a reminder and it pops up when it's time to change it next. So for the bigger kind of household stuff, that's one way to do it. And again, you could use these types of strategies for things like emptying the dishwasher or doing laundry or checking your pantry to make sure it's still organized. Because a lot of times the household stuff, if you keep on top of it regularly and have systems that help you to follow through and getting it done and remembering in the first place to do it, but also doing it at a time where you're likely to be available to do it in the first place, that can really help to increase the follow through in getting stuff done that you want.